as that when forsake it, when peace becomes prosperity, the same prosperity is indifferent and as said different to the same problem occur that equals the same thing, reality that exists, however, is not different in supposition anything aside from said problem, which then in exactitude doesn't exist in the same way as was proposed nor perceived at said eventuality of the then exposure or definition of said problem. The exposure and the definition are the same thing, but however, the possibility and potential is not the same thing as the definition. However, these things are equal, and these things are not, whereas these things are equal, and those things are not. In the sense of the same then reality, what could be expected would then amount to an actual zero. And those so then in that same right, even though it's difficult as fuck, there's not a difference between these two things amounting into virtually a zero. If there's a zero, there cannot be explained anything that happened absent said definition nor said eventuality, supposed said zero in definition as of description. Therefore, there cannot be applied anything in eventuality in reality as that when is constitutionally acceptable, the same thing that's what's happened or didn't happen, which is the entirety of the difficulty that we find ourselves as in reality without expectation. That is, no matter what.